Hello everyone, good morning. This is Mary Joy, and for today's content, we have here the lesson 2, which is the understanding the basic concepts in ICT. First, let's have the terms and concepts that are used in ICT.
Technology refers to a mix of process and products used in the application of knowledge.
In other words, these are the mix of process and products, so we can distinguish that we use different types of technology, just like how we use today. Amidst the pandemic, we still continue our studies through the use of technology because we have our phones, our laptop, and other mobile devices that can be used and access the LMS that used as a platform for today's online learning.
Up next is the ICT literacy, or Information and Communication Technology Literacy. The use of digital technology, communication tools, and manage, integrate, evaluate, and to create.
To be ICT literate, you have to use the digital technology in which it is an alternative way for us to learn. Especially for this new normal, we have this new way to learn with the use of different platforms, just like our mobile devices and laptops, which access to our LMS.
Educational technology refers to the use of technology in teaching and learning. It includes both non-digital and digital. Digital literacy, the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technologies and internet.
Digital literacy, there are lots of digital use in the present situation, so it is important that you know the proper way in how to use it to avoid some of the complications. Some are confidential, it should be used in the proper manner.
Digital learning is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effective use of technology.
Digital learning, so what we are doing right now is a digital learning in which we are learning from digital, in which we are not able to see our teachers and professors face to face, but instead we use in a digital platform in which we use Google Meet, Zoom, and also the Classroom.
Software refers to program control instructions and accompanying documents stored in disks or tapes when not being used in computers.
So software is a program we use, especially as students, in which we usually use this. An example for these are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and Opera.
Next is multimedia, a sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of formats in a given presentations or self-study programs. Internet. It is a massive network of networks, a network's infrastructure. It is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers. Internet make our lives more easier for us to communicate with other people around the world, to quickly find some of the information, manage our finances, and especially to shop from home. The great help of Shopee, Lazada, Shein, and all of the others online shopping websites. World Wide Web, also called as web, is a graphical environment and computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documentations that can include text, data, sound, and videos of the internet. World Wide Web is a hypertext-based information system which links the documents may be located at different internet sites. Productivity tools refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools for personal, professional, or classroom productivity.
Productivity tools. This refers to any type of software associated with computers. So some of the examples are Microsoft, our PowerPoint presentation, or Excel, in which these are used to organize, arrange, or compile our files.
Flipped classroom utilizes the reverse instructional delivery where the teacher uses the web resources or the out-of-class activity. It is also a blended type of learning where students are introduced to content at home and practice working through it at school. Podcasts is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic, typically in the format of a radio talk show.
Podcast, so it has the two basic function. First is to disseminate information, and second one is to retrieve information. So in other words, it should consist of listeners and speakers.
Web access is the ability of learners to access the internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of the array of available education resources. Google Apps, a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in the Google server and is available for students both at home and in school.
Google Apps, it is the most common application in which it has various of application we can get from to store our files and our documents.
Blog is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged.
Blog is a regularly updated web or website, and it consists mostly on words and pictures.
Wiki, an editable website, usually with limited access, allows students to collaboratively create and post written works or digital files such as digital photos or videos.
Wiki is an editable website in which everyone can go and edit it, and also some were saying that it's not reliable. It's because everyone can go and edit it.
Facebook, a popular social networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world.
Facebook, this is the most popular social media account that I think everyone has. It's because this allows us also to learn. When our teachers wanted us to communicate through the use of group page, in which it enables them to post something when they have something to announce or something that they wanted us to do, any task that they wanted to give us.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from this video and have a nice day.